And welcome. I have to share this amazing footage with you. This is a child that is lost in Wisconsin, United States of America, in a cornfield, in a large farm at night. And look how amazing today's technology is. Now, with the drone, the police controlled a drone over the entire farm, the cornfield, and then they found this child. Look how amazing with night vision. The child is just in the middle here, this white signal. It's giving off a heat signal. And that's the child in the middle. Look at that. Now imagine in the old days if there weren't any drones. Here's the child. And then they signal to the police, and you may just see look how they're coming. Here the first policeman comes directly to the child. A second police is coming, a third police. Immediately they found the child. I'm so amazed. Imagine what kind of technology we got. Here's the child, they found the child. And this is from BBC News and Headline News today. Absolutely amazing. Look at it.
You're all right. Hey, we're going to go back and we're going to find your mom, okay?
And now they're all going out of it. Absolutely amazing. I'm so absolutely amazed at the amazing world that we are living in. Look at this technology, how it's changing lives. In the old days, they would look at here's the cars, there's the road, and here's a massive cornfield. How on earth, and it's nighttime, how on earth they would have found this child? Absolutely amazing. Subhanallah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is indeed the great, supreme. Stay well, look after yourself. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen.